previously reported, the new Hyundai Kona has undergone a significant growth spurt, with an increase in overall length of 145 mm, width of 25 mm, height of 15 mm, and 60 mm of front and rear wheelbase for a more spacious interior. The exact dimensions for the petrol model with 17-inch wheels are 4,350 mm long, 1,825 mm wide, 1,580 mm wide and 2,660 mm between the front and rear axles of the wheelbase. The new Kona's styling takes inspiration from the Steria People Mover and Tucson's latest midsize family SUV, with its boxy shape, sharp folds and triangular body lines on the doors similar to the small i30 sedan. There are front and rear LED light bars similar to the Steria, with the main headlights and taillights housed in separate units below. Available alloy wheels up to 19 inches in diameter. Hyundai claims the Kona design started with the electric version and was adapted for the petrol and hybrid variants, not the other way around. The petrol and hybrid models feature black wheel arches and unique front and rear bumpers with silver faux skid plates, while the Kona Electric opts for body-colored arches and a mostly covered front. Exclusive to the electric version are what Hyundai calls parametric pixels. The dots visible on the front and rear LED light bars and lower bumper are inspired by the Ioniq range of electric cars. The sport variant of the N-Line will be carried over to the new generation, with more aggressive front and rear bumpers, twin exhaust pipes, silver side skirts and, on the top of the range, a black roof and 19-inch N-Line alloy wheels.